Hello everyone, thanks for joining us. I'm Madhujan and I have
Nirmal here.
and today we'll be showing the demo of our summer work of the tool we have developed. This tool basically resolves conflict without much of human intervention. So basically using this tool we can actually automate the resolution of several merge conflicts. And the best thing about this tool is that this is language independent. Right now we have case studies for the language Python and Java, and we'll show how we can configure this tool to be used with the Git, so that finally you can use this tool with the Git and several conflicts that you would otherwise have to resolve manually, they would be easily resolved by this tool.
Another added benefit for this is also because it's also not a black box, so the user has full control over what happens and how this algorithm works. So they're able to control exactly how the merges are done.
Whatever demo we would show, whatever the case studies we will be showing, those are from several renowned open source repositories, and everything that we show here could be found on our repository, and the link, you can find the link in the description. Right now I'll just move through the demo. So first of all, I'll just show you quickly how we have configured our tool, right? So I'll just quickly move to the global config of Git, and as you can see in the global config of the Git, I have named my tool MethodUnion, and I have set this tool up to work whenever the Git attribute says that MethodUnion tool has to be used for those particular files. Now this config, how the config needs to be set up and everything, this is again that's again in the readme of the repository that you can find in the link that you can find in the description. And then I'll just exit that and I'll show you the code, right? So what do we have here? If I do git status, right now as you could see I'm on the left version, and on the left version I have a Java case. This Java case is basically from a repository called Maven, and right now we have the left version of this file. Similarly, we have this Python case that is from repository algorithms, and right now we have the left version of this file. So what would I do now is I'll just quickly change my branch, and I'll check out my branch to the right version. I'll show you the right version of these files. This is for algorithms, and again this is for the Maven Java file.
It might not be like completely visible like the differences right now, but just in a moment we're gonna run git conflicts and you'll see exactly what the differences are there.
So I'll just again go back to the left version of it. So I was just now on the right version. Now I will again go to the left version. Now I'm on the left version. I'll show you the git attributes. Right now I'll just remove everything from the git attributes. So right now there's no configuration in the git attribute. That means our whole repository would be using the git by default, whatever git uses by default. And now since I'm on the left version, I'll try to merge right version into it. Let's see what happens. And here we are. As soon as I merge right version with the left version, what I see is we have encountered conflicts. I'll just adjust the size so you could see it better. So right now we have several conflicts in maven.java, especially some of the import conflicts. And as we'll scroll down to the bottom, we have conflicts with declarations, we have conflicts within the classes. So yeah, we have several conflicts over there. Similarly, if I'll just move quickly to algorithms.py, there are import conflicts in this Python file as well, and then there are again some conflicts at the last. This is a conflict with the classes and some declarations. Now this was using the Git tool, right? The default Git. What I'll do is I'll just abort it now and show you what would happen if we would have used our tool instead. So this is the configuration. This configuration basically means, as I shown you in the configuration file, we have used MethodUnion to name our configuration, and we are saying that for all the files that end with Java or that end with .py extension, that means Python files, they should be treated with MethodUnion. I'll save it, and then again I'll merge the write version into the base version. Let's see what happens. And as you could see, we were able to successfully merge write version into the into the left version. Algorithm run successfully, and here we have the changes. Now I'll just quickly go through the files and give you the comparison. So first of all, we have maven.java, right? I'll show you the desired versions and the versions from our algorithm side by side. So basically the desired version is that particular version which the developer obtained after resolving the conflicts manually. This has been extracted from the repository itself. And the version on the left that you're seeing right now, this version has been generated by our tool. As you could see, these versions are very similar in terms of placement of codes, comments, snippets, and the best part is all the merge conflicts have been resolved without the human intervention. Similarly, I'll also show you the case for the Python, where we have this algorithms.py, and this is the desired algorithms, and as you could see, much of the formatting has been retained, and there is no conflict within the algorithms.py that we have obtained using our tool. The conflicts that were in the bottom regarding class and the conflicts that were there in the import statements, all those conflicts have been resolved using our tool. Yeah, and that's it. Do let us know in the comments if you have some queries and questions, and do check out our repository, and the link you can find in description. Thank you.